If your herbs could talk, they'd be screaming for help right now. Here's how to tell before it's too late. Sign number 1. Drooping leaves. Has your basil or mint started wilting? Don't panic. It's a sign of water stress. Too much or too little. Herbs need balance. If the soil's too soggy or completely dry, it's time to adjust your watering. Give your herbs a drink, but make sure they're not drowning in it. Sign number 2. Yellow leaves. Yellowing leaves is a signal that your herbs are suffocating. Too much water or poor drainage could be the culprit. Trim off the yellow leaves, improve drainage, and your herbs will breathe easier. Sign number 3. Stretched, leggy stems. Leggy, tall stems is way of your herb begging for sunlight. If they're reaching for the sky, move them closer to the light. A sunny window or grow light will help your herbs thrive. Before we move to next, comment below which of these signs have you seen in your herb garden. Sign number 4. Black or moldy spots. Seeing black spots or mold. It's a fungal infection, usually from too much moisture. Cut away the infected leaves, space out your plants for better airflow, and they'll have a better chance to heal. Sign number 5. Brittle, brown stems. Brown crispy stems mean your herbs are dehydrated. Soak the roots for 15 minutes, replant in moist, well-drained soil, and they'll bounce back. Herbs are like us. They just want a little care, light, and space to grow. Pay attention early, and you can bring them back to life before it's too late. And don't forget to watch my next video.